Hello everyone and welcome to break 934 for the 2012 Panini 6 series. Thanks everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Current date and time according to eBay is Tuesday, July 2nd, 2019. It's 10:28 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:28 p.m. Central Time, and 7:28 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break we have Collect with 18 spots, Cam 1, John 1, Kelly 3, EB with 1, Fran 4, and Scott with 2 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Collect is on top, Scott's on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Collect on top and bottom. So we'll go through our list here to see who has what team or teams. Oh, forgot the seed there. Alright, Collect, you have the Diamondbacks, Braves, Orioles, Fran Red Sox, Collect Cubs, White Sox, Reds, Kelly Indians, Collect Rockies, Kelly Tigers, Collect 23 Astros, Scott Royals, John Angels, Collect Dodgers, Fran Marlins, EB Brewers, Collect Twins, Mets, Yankees, Cam Athletics, Kelly with the Phillies, Collect Pirates, Padres, Giants, Scott Mariners, Collect Cardinals, Rays, Fran Blue Jays, and Rangers. Read that backward, sorry about that. And Collect with the Washington Nationals. So here we are, all sealed up. Good luck. If we pull Los Angeles, Chicago, or New York, we'll need to look that up and confirm which of those teams in that city is it going to. Each one of those cities has more than one team. You're half hour early. Right, first up for Miami Marlins, we have Giancarlo Stanton. Every card will ship, by the way. We have a Panini proof of Felix Hernandez for the Seattle Mariners. This is number 4 out of 25. Another one for Miami, we have Logan Morrison. We have a redemption of Tyler Pastrnicki, which we'll look that up, see where he was playing in 2012. We have a rated rookie game ball of David Phelps for New York. It doesn't say Mets or Yankees. This is 175 out of 299, so we'll look him up, see where he goes. And Taylor Green to Milwaukee for the rated rookie MLB Player's Choice auto out of 299. This is 215. Alright, sweet. Let's go back through and see who's getting what. We got a couple Miami here. Miami Marlins is going to Fran 92. Congrats. Then we have the Panini proof of Felix Hernandez. And that is 4 out of 25. And Seattle is going to Scott. Congrats, Scott. Alright, our redemption of Tyler Pastrnicki. We'll look up here. So this box is 2012. Either way, it's Atlanta. That's going to collect 23. Congrats. David Phelps, rated rookie game ball, autograph. Look up to see if it's the Mets or the Yankees. So 2012 is the New York Yankees, never even played for the Mets. So New York Yankees is collect 23. Congrats, collect 23. And then last but not least, Taylor Green, Milwaukee Brewers, rated rookie MLB Player's Choice. Milwaukee is going to eBay. Congrats, and that will wrap up break 934. I want to thank everyone for getting into the break. We do appreciate it, and all of you watching. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media and our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon, and please stick around for that bonus break spot. Thanks.